So today I will take you to the Hilton Hotel and give my honest review about the room and all the facilities that are available. You will be shocked with the price and maybe also shocked with my own experience. But let's start with the first part, which is a room tour. So, welcome in the Hilton here today. We will have a little room tour. And as you can see, it's a big mirror here on the left. And they really need to do this because this room feels a bit claustrophobic. I just arrived, but there's something with the smell. And also, it's not big at all. You have two giant beds for some reason. Don't know why you would want these giant beds in this small of a room, because it feels like, like a museum where you have too big of an object and then you feel like a giant. That's what these beds make me feel like I'm a small boy. But also the window, I don't know what it is, but if you would sleep in this side, you almost would feel like you're falling over this window. You do have a nice view, that's not too bad. I think even on the right, maybe if you look very good, you can see the Four Seasons building, but there is something about, look at this, you cannot even walk, you cannot put the right foot out of your bed if you wake up, so it's a bit too close for my comfort. The good thing about this room, at least, is they do have these capacity buttons which are quite modern. That's quite easy. Nice little telephone here, not a special room service if you want. And then here you have all the amenities they gave you, some cookies, which is nice. I told that the smell is a bit off in this room and it feels a bit claustrophobic. And the smell is not helping. How does it smell here? Not too bad. Different stuff. Some shoes dropped there in a very empty closet. Of course, this is not a crazy expensive hotel, but still, let's go in here. I think the smell is a bit off in this room. I'm sorry for talking about the smell, but I find it so important, especially for like a hotel. You should emphasize smell and good smell, because that's, you want to feel at home. So a very big shower, that's nice. A looking through toilet, which is not bad, I don't mind. What do we have here? A hand soap, body lotion, scale, which is always nice actually, some hand gloves, and then here you have a comb, a shaving kit, shower cap, grooming kit, and 2 dental kits for 2 persons. So that's pretty nice. The hotel has a pretty funny setup actually. So we are now in this edge room, and I guess you can see it kind of, but most of the rooms are pretty small. Even these, let's say, circle rooms are not too big either if you compare to this room and this room. But I think the feeling of the room will be better, because you can see we have a square room and these circle rooms will maybe feel a bit spacious, let's say. So yeah, not the best room, but yeah, let's see, for the price you pay, it's maybe not the worst. I have stayed in better hotels with less of a price in here, so I must say I'm a bit disappointed, but let's have a look at the other things in the hotel, like the breakfast and also the spa area and the pool. So let's go. So I hope you enjoyed the room tour, and we will start with the breakfast. So the breakfast, I must be very honest, this was a pretty decent breakfast. So I have seen less good of a breakfast in way more expensive hotels than this. This was a buffet style breakfast, but there were so many options, and I felt at least that all of the options were very high quality. So the Hilton definitely stepped up their game with the breakfast. You also have a chef there who can prepare your egg. Could say if you want medium cooked or anything like this. So a lot of options, and sometimes in these types of hotels the quality will be way less than you expect. Also, This was a whole area with different items to be cooked, and also here's a whole different area in the middle with breads, very good quality breads, all freshly prepared, a lot of juices, and then you had a whole different corner here with different fruits and even hot food like you see, and even a chef preparing some of the traditional dishes here, which were very good. You can even see an oven there. So I think on the food part they are very, very good. I ordered this tiramisu, it was still frozen, so that's a bit less, but all the other options were very good. And one of the things I was very surprised by is that the price was also pretty decent for a hotel like this. You will probably pay around 50 to 60 euros for a dish or two, but that's a pretty good price, because sometimes they dare to ask for 50 euro for the burger. I'm exaggerating a bit, but these prices were decent in my opinion. The hotel also is very nice looking from outside, and they do have different rooms. I got, let's say, a bit of B room, because I was not actually in the round oval part of the hotel, so I was a bit disappointed, because yeah, I want to give you a good review of the hotel, but note that I paid a decent price for this, and I will say the price at the end. A second good thing here was the fact that actually the spa was amazing. So I think for the amount of space they have for this spa and the amount of people that were actually not there, so there were not too many guests, I think this is a very undervalued space. The pool was, as you can see, pretty amazing, a very nice view actually also from the city, because these windows you cannot really see it here maybe, but you can actually see the whole city there. Unluckily I could not get the jacuzzi to work, but there is actually a whole section with a jacuzzi there, and I will show you here in a bit also the actual wellness or spa area, which was so nicely done with black tiles and some little starlights at the sky. Amazing atmosphere. Also, there was no one here. The smell was also very good compared to my room, which smelled like a $50 hotel room, which was actually very weird. I find it very weird how the room they gave me is like the room you would not expect from a place like this. Overall, this room and this hotel goes for around 250 euros or American dollar a night. Let me know if this is a fair price. Like, subscribe, and see you. Bye bye.